Hey guys, it's Kaleigh and welcome back to SisterCast. Today I'm showing you guys an unboxing video of unboxing this really cool card maker that I got for my birthday. So I'm going to be unboxing it and testing it out to show you guys how it works. So let's get started. So this is what it looks like on the outside. So now I'm going to take off the tape to be able to look at what's inside. Okay, so I just got the tape off. I'm just going to kind of pull it open. Now I'm just going to take this stuff out from the inside. Okay. So that's empty. Now this is what the package looks like so far. It looks like it's got like some colored pencils in it and a pen, and then maybe a paintbrush it looks like. And then on the back side, I'm not really sure what this is yet. Okay, so it looks like the stencils are in here. So now when I spread them out, I can see there's a wooden popsicle stick. There are many stencils. So lots of stencils. I think these look like they're stickers. And then these I think are the envelopes and cards that you write on. So I'm just gonna open these. So here are the envelopes and cards. So I think these are the cards. Yes. Okay. Oh, they're even like those. I thought they were just gonna be postcard type things. Those are really cute. Okay. So here those are, and then these are the envelopes that they go in. Okay. So I'm just gonna do one card for now. So I'm just gonna get one of these and one envelope. And then I'm going to decide which sticker and stencil I'm going to use. Using this one that says thanks a bunch with some flowers underneath. I'm just going to set everything else back aside. And now I'm going to open this part of the kit. So it looks like there's a little tutorial packet in here showing how to do it. That's kind of nice. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. So there's that. And then it looks like there are colored pencils. I need to go get a cup of water to be able to blend my colors, so I'm gonna go grab that. Okay, so now I got my cup of water. So it says that step 1, you need to trace the outline of your stencil in on your card with the black marker. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to grab my black marker. think these cards are a super fun way to spread kindness and positivity.